Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if the microphone is not working in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your speaker icon from the taskbar and then right click on it and then click on sound settings. Now from here scroll down a bit and under the input section you need to select your default microphone. Now as you can see here, this is the microphone that came with my laptop, but I do not want to use this one. This is the microphone that I'm trying to use. So now all I have to do is select that USB condenser mic, and now you can see here that I'm getting a better signal and the microphone is working. After that, click on this little arrow right next to your microphone and then make sure that the level is all the way up so that it is not a microphone gain issue. If this does not fix the problem, what you need to do next is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left, go to Privacy and Security and then scroll down a bit and then click on Microphone. Now in here, what you have to do, make sure that microphone access is turned on and let apps access your microphone option is also turned on. After that, scroll down a bit and see if the app that you are trying to use has microphone access or not. As you can see here, the Xbox app on my computer does not have the microphone access, so all I need to do now is turn it on. So if you're trying to use Skype, Discord or any other app that needs microphone access, so you just look for that app and turn on microphone access for that particular application, and that should solve the issue. But if it does not, there are a few other things that we can do. For that, go to the search box and then type in Device Manager and then click on Device Manager from the top. Now in here, scroll down and find Sound, Video and Game Controllers and then double click on it. And now in here, look for the microphone that you have. Here you can see my USB condenser mic. So now all I need to do is right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. And now Windows 11 will find that driver and install it for me. After that, see if the problem is gone. If not, then what you have to do is go inside each of the application that you are trying to use and see if that application has microphone access, or you can change the microphone access. For example, if I go to my Google Chrome browser and then go to the settings, and in here, if I type in microphone and then go here and then go to microphone, here you can see that the microphone access is enabled for Google Chrome, but if it was disabled on Google Chrome, then I would not be able to use the microphone on my Google Chrome browser. So go to your application and see inside that if the microphone access is enabled or not. And that is how you can fix the microphone not working issue in your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.